All right, so we're gonna do something a little bit different on Joe's garage this time. We have a light fixture, outdoor.
Any Eagle fans out there?
Yeah, go Eagles. Philly. And as you can see, the light fixture is hanging from the wire. So my neighbor and good friend Bobby is going to swap the light.
I'm gonna fuck this shit up.
Yeah.
First time.
You gotta watch your language though, Bobby.
I'm sorry.
Otherwise I don't get advertising.
Oh, you did? I'm gonna mess this one up,
Yeah.
alright?
Sorry about that, guys. Won't happen again. So Bobby has already killed power to the light fixture. He's gonna do his best not to drop the light fixture on me.
Okay.
Don't get the crap in my beer. So right now he's gonna be unhooking the electrical power. Let me know if I need to put something down and help you.
I'm good. Just make sure I have my beer ready.
Okay. Where is it?
I don't know.
Today's beer of choice is Heineken.
Today and every other day.
Bobby is an electrical pro. Now if you drop that fixture, you think I'll be able to film it hitting the floor?
Hmm?
If you drop that light fixture, you think I'll be able to film it hitting the floor?
I don't know. What do you think?
Guess we'll find out. So I believe we already have a new light fixture ready to go in. So right now Bobby's just unhooking the mounting bracket that holds it to the box.
This thing has probably been here since what, 87?
Yeah. Could be. You want my power screwdriver?
No, this is good. Old school.
How about your skill drill?
Wow.
And up there we should have a hot, a neutral, and a ground, but rarely is the ground ever hooked up on lighting fixtures.
Want to hang on to the base if you can? no?
Sure. Let me put down my beer.
No, you don't need to.
I don't? Oh, okay.
Little pouch right here.
That's pretty smart.
Right. Sometimes you gotta use your head, not your leg.
That's true. Or the thing between them. Next time I'll give him my power screwdriver. We're just watching him turn a screwdriver.
It's you know what? There you go.
Whoop. Oh, that almost went in my beer.
Okay, here we go. Let me unscrew my ground wire right here.
Yeah. Replacing light fixtures is a very cost-effective way to jazz up your house, and obviously if you have a problematic one, better do it. This thing was a accident waiting to happen, lawsuit waiting to happen. Whoop! That almost hit my beer too.
There we go. Obviously you got two wire here, right?
You got a red. Oh, a red. You got a red this time, huh? Is there a three-way switch on this thing? Or did someone just decide to use no,
You could just
three-conductor wire?
Wow, this thing is
Take the wire nuts off and just yank it apart.
Huh?
There you go.
There you go.
Unscrew the wire nut a little bit and just yank the wire out. It should come out.
This thing is so tight, dude.
I'll give you new wire nuts.
There you go.
There you go. We're free. Want to lower it down? Let's see what we got. So, there's your problem. There's no chain holding this light up, just the wire. Pretty cool, huh? Scary.
Old school.
Yeah. Old school to new school.
Right.
Those fancy light bulbs in there, or are they cheapos? Whoop, I think you might have just broken something. Nicely done. We'll get the new light.
All right.
So here's the replacement fixture, similar style. I think we picked it up at Lowe's. Wow, all that shiny stuff.
There we go.
Are there any instructions? Let's throw them out. Wow. Fancy fancy. Bobby, what's it again? Nam Dok Mai? Nam Dok Mai? Just so there's evidence on the internet. Bobby, if you ever sell this house, what do I get?
You get that numbed off my tree right there, buddy.
I don't want the tree, I just want rights to the fruit.
Want the mango, okay.
Yeah.
You have whatever you want.
It's got to be written in the contract, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you sell this house, you agree?
You got it.
Okay, it's on YouTube.
But if you sell that house, I get you mango, right?
What, in the front yard?
All of them.
I'll write in my contract, all of them. Won't be able to sell the house. It's the only thing it's got going for it. All right, so right now we're just threading the chain on the wire, and wow, this grass is wet. Holy crap. So we're just threading the wire through the chain. We're just gonna hook it up at the bottom. All right, so we got the light all set up. Now, Mr. Bobby is just gonna screw that bracket into the ceiling box, and he's gonna wire it up.
Out first, dude.
What's that?
We get this shit out first.
What shit out? Oh, the old wire nuts?
Yeah.
Can't use the word shit, Bobby.
I'm sorry, we can't. Now let me get this out.
We should stop saying shit.
Well, you just said that.
Sorry.
See?
Get this stuff out, like you said.
You got live flowers on the front door, man.
Fancy
Yes,
here.
sir.
Times must be good. Rotate those out every couple days.
What happened?
Rotate those fresh flowers out every day on your front door.
These guys are out of control, Brian.
Yeah, my neighbors are unreal.
Those wire nuts have metal inserts, Bobby?
Oh, yes, sir.
You checked?
Well, come with the factory, the better have.
Look inside. Do you see a metal insert? Oh, man.
One down.
Don't walk. Oh, Rob walked under the ladder. Oh, my God.
Rob, that's bad luck, man.
Yes, it does. sir.
7 years?
Yeah.
14 years,
But
okay.
I came back out.
Yeah, wait till the black
7
Texans
minus
over here
7
now.
0.
You sure?
Yes, it does, Joe.
It does? Works that way?
Yeah, these have.
No, I'm saying that.
Oh, they have the inserts? Okay.
What are you reading? Are you talking to me? Or are you like?
I was, but then Rob distracted me with his math.
Yes, it's the, huh?
7 minus 7 is 0?
Yeah. So I'm back to square one.
So Joe, this ground right here goes connect to this ground.
Yep, ground, the bare copper to bare copper. You got a wire nut for it?
I think.
They give you 3 or 2? Oh, here's the third. Hang on. We forgot a nut. I hate it when we forget our nuts.
Can't forget that third nut.
Yeah.
Can I have a little pliers I can straighten out that ground wire? Because
Sure.
it's the-
You want needle nose?
No, before you do that, can I get a beer, please?
A beer?
Yeah, Heineken will be good.
This one? I think this is yours.
That's right.
There we
Can't
go.
leave home without it.
No. Wow. Right in the gutter. Nice beer holder.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Brian, you learning, Brian?
I'm trying.
There you go.
Just connect all the wires together.
So what's that last one that's just hanging there? That's the ground? You said?
Yep. Bare copper is always
and you,
ground.
And you gotta cover that too, right?
Yep.
It's an extra.
In case you forget a wire. For those of you listening to this video, please don't listen to us. You always want to connect the hot to the hot, which is usually black, neutral to neutral, which is usually white, but a light fixture doesn't really matter, and the bare copper, which is always ground to bare copper.
You do want to push this out so that way.
9 out of 10 light fixtures that you deal with don't have the ground hooked up, just because the electricians are lazy. Sorry to all you electricians out there, but you're probably not watching this video anyway. Hopefully you know how to install light fixtures.
Hopefully. Unless you're Bobby, you're going to need help.
Did I just create some enemies? You might want to screw that in before you hang the light like that, but yeah, okay.
Good bicep workout now, man.
Yeah, right?
Start trembling.
Bobby might need a foot massage there, Rob.
There, I'll take that weight off for
If
you.
you're going to do that, make sure I get happy ending. Flathead, please.
Flathead.
Robert.
That is not a flathead.
Should be a bit right behind you.
Slide a screwdriver.
By the planter, Joe?
Bobby, you're getting some tools for Christmas.
No, right there by the planter.
By the planter. There's no flathead there. Any of you guys spot a flathead on YouTube? No?
You have a slider screwdriver?
Come on, I have the Stanleys.
This?
That's a
This is Phillips.
No, I have a flathead.
Is it in your pocket?
No, it's not. No, that was me happy to see you.
Is it in the gutter?
No, it's not.
Wow. I don't know what you did with it, Bobby. Would you like me to go back to Joe's garage and get you a flathead
No,
screwdriver?
I think it's right there by the,
Oh yeah, that's a good place for it. Okay, all you viewers, keep your tools near you. Don't leave them on flat surfaces.
It was a great lesson.
Yeah. Keep your tools near the job.
So hold me.
Hold you, but maybe not both of you. How much do you weigh, Rob?
Unfortunately, I stepped on the scale at the gym today and said 210.
210. So what's Bobby weigh?
About $170.
about 80.
All right, anybody do math on YouTube? 375.
390.
Rob, get up.
Wow.
What's this rated at?
We're in trouble. 375.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get down.
Take your shoes off.
Brian, you think the screwdriver will go through the
Just drop the
spacer?
cap nut. So there it goes.
Brian, under over. You think this is going through the fascia if I stick it in there?
Under.
I think it's going straight to the roof.
Yeah, it does look a little gooey, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
ooh,
wow.
Ooh, don't press too hard.
Flathead. Sister.
Damn. Holy shit. That was worse than mine. Mine was doing the same thing.
Yeah, nice and spongy. All the way to the deck,
All the
right?
way, yeah. Yep, I had the same issue.
I guess that'll be another project in Joe's garage.
Oh boy.
Fascia repair. That's always fun.
All right, one last screw.
Yeah, it's because you see how it
Yeah.
sags.
All right, guys, I'm going to turn the video off for a moment because Bobby's just screwing off. You don't need to see him do that.
He's screwing around.
Yeah. Look at that. He's done screwing off and now he's done. We missed it.
Not bad. There you go.
Wow. Is there ice in there too? Keep it cold? Got ice in the gutter to keep
Yes,
it cold?
I do. Old school.
Yeah. Now we just need to put some light bulbs in there and turn the breaker on. You didn't turn the breaker off, did you?
I did, yes.
Oh, come on. You don't trust the light switch?
I'm a wussy.
Okay.
You did it, Rob?
I'm with you, Bobby.
Where's the fun in that?
Yeah.
Would have turned it off too. Let me see.
Look at that.
90 volt. I don't want to get burned, you know?
You got light bulbs? You want Rob to get you some? Oh,
I got some nice incandescents.
yeah.
Screwing
Those are free of charge, right?
Oh yeah. All you want.
Wait, did he have a light here before?
He did. It was scary. Go look at it. That's the topic of this video. It was hanging by the wire.
Recycle, man. What's up? All right.
Look at that. It wasn't screwed in. It was just hanging by the cable.
This came with the house, right, Bobby? Yeah.
That wire is nice and twisted. See all that?
Yeah.
It's accident waiting to happen. It's a shame. It's a nice light.
Still good.
Should we recondition it?
You can.
Yeah? Maybe Joe's garage should start selling used stuff, huh?
Come down to Joe's garage.
Your shaft is a little crooked in there, Bobby.
My what?
Your shaft. And the light fixture. Yeah.
Where'd that come from?
Self-defense mechanism.
Yes.
Someone tries to break in the house, just pick up the brick and throw it at him.
Driving away, just pick up, she opened her windshield.
Look at that. You got the breaker on and everything, or is the breaker off?
Turn the breaker on.
Oh, okay. I was going to say because the lights are on.
I know.
Okay. Just making sure.
It's only 90 volt. I'm not going to hurt my...
90 volts? Better be more than 90 volts.
No?
120 volts.
That's all right.
Single phase.
It's all about the amperage.
Look at that. That's pretty.
See, when I first moved in here, I don't even know how to turn on the goddamn light switch.
Language, Bobby.
I'm
Language.
sorry. And Mr. Joe Garage,
Right, you Teddy Lefty Lucy.
master,
Why'd you take that one out?
because it's not working.
Oh, that's a good reason.
Yeah, bolts.
Did Rob give you a bad bulb?
Thanks to Joe's garage, man.
One of them does work, right?
It looks like it's fine, though.
Breaker panel. This is an old Challenger panel. Sometimes they're labeled correctly, sometimes they're not. If they are labeled correctly, you just turn off the breaker that is to the appliance you want to cut power to. If they are not labeled correctly, typically lighting is on 15 amp circuits. This is not a hard and fast rule, but usually they're on 15 amp circuits. So I usually start with the 15s and I'll just turn those off until I see the light go out. 9 times out of 10 that works. Sometimes they'll be on multi-wire branch circuits. I don't see any in this panel. A multi-wire branch circuit is 220 volt circuits that are 180 degrees out of phase, and they share a neutral. So what they'll typically do is they'll run like a 14-3 or 12-3 wire. So that'll be a black, a red, a white, and a ground. And each of the black and the red each carry 120 volts, and they share that neutral. But code requires those to be on a breaker tie. I don't see any in here though. Anyway, yeah, so you start with the 15 amp circuits for lighting, then you start with the single pole 20s, and then from there it's kind of a guessing game. But generally you won't find lights in anything more than 20 amps. It's pretty rare. And if you find that, someone probably did something wrong. Now this drill is awesome.
You want to hang out one more time before you go?
Bobby, this drill's got a lot of power. How long you had this drill? Bobby?
Huh?
How does this drill work?
Oh my God.
It's pretty good. I like this. Oh, wait, stop. What happened?
Done.
Oh.
You and I, you done?
What?
No, you're...
No, I'm still recording.
Why don't you just record everything? Look what he's driving, look what his wife's driving, look what kind of two he's got. And go to my wine cooler too. How about that?
All right, we'll give a tour of your wine cooler.
Oh, good lord! I haven't been on this.
This is the Joe's Garage neighborhood wine cooler.
Man, look at those fishing poles too.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Catch a marlin.
Bobby's got some interesting
Put
hobbies.
all Bobby shit online, man.
Yeah.
This place is gonna get knocked off next week.
I've been careful not to include any license plates.
Yeah, don't tell them the garage code.
Was it 1, 2, 3, 4?
5.
Wow, good stuff.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 is Brian.
If you guys watched any of my prior videos, this is the wine fridge that I fixed a couple months ago. This is the one that needed the compressor contactor, the $10 part that saved a $2,000 wine fridge. Still running.
We get going.